Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a wise old farmer with 3 sons. The farmer worked hard all his life, tending to his fields and raising crops. However, his sons were lazy, constantly quarreling, and refused to help with the farm work. One day, the farmer, feeling old and weak, decided to teach his sons a lesson. He called them together and said, "I have hidden a treasure in our fields. You must dig deep to find it. Work together, and you'll be rewarded." Excited at the thought of treasure, the sons grabbed their tools and began digging. They dug up every corner of the fields, turning the soil over and over, but found nothing. Disappointed and tired, they returned to their father, saying, "We found no treasure, only dirt and stones." The farmer smiled and replied, "Look at the fields now. You have plowed the land well. Plant seeds, and you will soon see the real treasure." The sons planted crops, and when harvest time came, the fields yielded an abundant crop, more than ever before. The sons finally understood their father's wisdom. The real treasure was the rich soil and the value of hard work. From that day on, they worked together, took care of the farm, and lived in harmony. The farmer's lessons stayed with them forever, teaching them that true wealth comes from effort, unity, and dedication. And so, the farmer's wisdom turned his quarrelsome sons into responsible men, securing a prosperous future for them all.